If you've noticed oil spots under your car, increased engine noise, or you're adding oil more often than you should, you're definitely not alone. I recently bought and tested 5 popular engine oil stop leak and oil treatment products to see which ones actually help and which ones aren't worth the money. After using them in real-world conditions, I've got some clear favorites to share with you today.
Product number 1. Sta-Bil Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Oil with Fuel Stabilizer. When I held this Sta-Bil bottle for the first time, it felt like a premium product right away. The packaging was straightforward, and I liked that the measuring section made mixing easy without any guesswork. Although it's designed primarily for 2-cycle engines, I wanted to see how well it performed in equipment that sits unused for long periods. During testing, what stood out most was the built-in fuel stabilizer. I mixed it according to the recommended ratios and used it in several small engines. After months of storage, those engines started much easier than I expected. I also noticed noticeably less smoke during operation compared to some lower quality oils I've used in the past. The synthetic formula seemed to keep components cleaner and helped maintain smooth performance throughout extended use. My favorite part was the long-term protection. Knowing the fuel system remains protected for up to 12 months gave me peace of mind. If you own chainsaws, trimmers, or other 2-cycle equipment and want reliable storage protection, this is an excellent option. That brings us to a product aimed more toward aging automotive engines.
Product number 2. Lucas Oil High Mileage Oil Stabilizer. When I picked up the Lucas Oil High Mileage Oil Stabilizer, I immediately noticed the thick consistency. It felt substantial compared to standard oil additives, which made me curious about how it would affect engine performance. The bottle design was simple, but Lucas has built a strong reputation among mechanics and car owners. After adding it to a high-mileage engine during testing, I noticed changes within the first few hundred miles. Engine noise became less noticeable, especially during cold starts. The thicker protective film seemed to cushion internal components and reduce mechanical sounds that often appear in older vehicles. I also monitored oil consumption and found it decreased over time compared to previous oil change intervals. Another thing I appreciated was how smoothly the engine ran under load. The added lubrication helped create a more refined driving experience. My favorite part was the reduction in oil burning and engine noise. If your vehicle has accumulated serious mileage and you're trying to extend its life, this product deserves consideration. Still, some oil leaks require a different approach entirely.
Product number 3. Permatex Ultra Black Maximum Oil Resistance RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. When I squeezed this Permatex Ultra Black gasket maker out of the tube, the consistency felt thick and professional grade. Right away, it seemed designed for serious repair work rather than temporary fixes. The tube itself was easy to handle and allowed precise application in tight engine areas. During testing, I used it on several components where oil seepage was becoming a problem. What impressed me most was how well it adhered to slightly oily surfaces. Many sealants struggle when conditions aren't perfect, but this one bonded securely and cured into a flexible seal. After reassembly and several heat cycles, I checked for leaks and found the repaired areas remained dry. I also liked that it maintained flexibility rather than becoming brittle. That flexibility helps absorb vibration and engine movement over time. My favorite part was the resistance to engine oil and other automotive fluids. If you're repairing valve covers, oil pans, or similar components, this is a dependable solution. For drivers looking for an additive instead of a repair product, the next option may be a better fit.
Product number 4. STP High Mileage Oil Treatment Plus Stop Leak. When I grabbed the STP High Mileage Oil Treatment bottle, it immediately felt geared toward older vehicles. The formula looked thicker than regular engine oil, which is exactly what I expected from a product designed to reduce leaks and protect worn components. I added it during an oil change on a vehicle with more than 75,000 miles and monitored performance closely. Within a short period, the engine sounded quieter and felt smoother during acceleration. The thicker formula seemed to create a stronger protective layer between moving parts, helping reduce friction and wear. What really caught my attention was how it worked with aging seals and gaskets. Small leaks that had been leaving minor spots became much less noticeable over time. The added ZDDP anti-wear protection was another benefit, especially for engines that have seen years of service. My favorite part was the overall improvement in engine smoothness and reduced smoking. If your vehicle has accumulated substantial mileage, this treatment is worth considering. Still, one product focused almost entirely on stopping leaks.
Product number 5. Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak. When I handled the Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak bottle, it felt similar in quality to other Lucas products I've used over the years. The formula poured smoothly and mixed easily with the existing engine oil without creating any issues. Right away, it seemed designed specifically to address seal-related oil leaks. During testing, I added it to an older engine that showed signs of minor oil leakage around aging seals. Over time, I noticed a reduction in oil loss and fewer drops appearing where the vehicle was parked. The product works by helping renew worn seals, rather than relying on harsh chemicals that can cause long-term damage. I appreciated that approach because it focuses on restoration instead of temporary masking. I also noticed reduced engine noise and slightly improved oil pressure during operation. The fact that it's compatible with conventional, semi-synthetic, and full synthetic oils makes it easy to use in almost any vehicle. My favorite part was its gentle seal-restoring formula. If oil leaks are your biggest concern, this is probably the strongest choice on today's list.
Those are my picks for the best engine oil stop leak and oil treatment products available right now. Each one targets a slightly different problem, so the right choice depends on your vehicle's condition. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.